All right, next up, let's go ahead and add our first post. All right, so currently we're on our dashboard, which sort of tells us everything that's happening on our website. And what we want to do is add a post. So if you click on posts, or you could have clicked on all posts, whichever one you wish to use, you can see whatever blogs that you already have up. And so our blogs are also the posts here. So you could add a new post on your left nav, or you could add a new post here on the menu. Either one is going to do the same action. So for this, we'll call it weekly curation number 1, early forms of communication. And we have to, find the pieces that we think would be relevant to this topic or whatever topic it is that we are working on for the week. So in JSTOR or ArtStore, whichever one you're using, you can, in this case, I wanted to look more about cave paintings because maybe I found the use of symbols to be really interesting, or, how animals were created, or with something like this abstract horse that could look like, in my opinion, one of the emojis that could parallel to the contemporary design world. So you can look through, you can see, we talked about the hands. So there's some that was found in Argentina, and we have some of the horses in early forms, and some symbols. So the job for this project is to create a curation of things that you have found interesting and that you think could represent whatever it is for that week. So maybe for mine, this is a piece that I always have enjoyed. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to go ahead and download so that we have the image. I would also say consider saving it. You have to be logged in, of course, for that. So go ahead and log in. And go ahead and grab whichever citation you like. And like I said, I'm fine with whatever one you are comfortable with. All right, so I'm just going to grab the MLA one, go back into this, and let's go ahead and post the first image. So to get that image in there, we're going to need to add media. And then you can see there's a media library, or you can upload files. And the media library is going to span through all the websites that you run. So if you have multiple sites that you run, you're going to see it all there. Let's go ahead, select our files, find that cave painting. All right, and when it's selected, you can add your alt text if you want, your titles and your captions, your descriptions. Do you want it to be on the center? Do you want it to be a little bit larger? And you can come back into this and edit it if you so desire. So you can see it's already saying like, whoops, you haven't done the alt text. We can go back to that. That's fine. I just wanted to get it in for us to use. All right, I'm going to get my cursor back up again. I'm going to do my citation for this, title. And in this case, it's going to be a time period. That way we have that. So if we want to go in and edit this, so you can see when you click on it, it has the little 4 corners showing it's activated, and you're going to want to click on the edit button, image of, and I'm just going to copy and paste that. I'm going to get rid of this part so that we already had it cited so that we have all of that info. And if we want it, we could put it in that caption also. Maybe I felt like it was a little bit too small, so let's see what the large looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and update it. Okay, that's feeling a little bit better to me. And then I go ahead, add all that extra info, find the next 2 pieces, and then when you are complete, you go ahead and hit publish. And then once it's done that, you can see it's already showing up as the link. It's showing that it's already live. And if you want, you can right click and open that in a new tab so we can look at it. This is how it's sort of flowing right now. I could have probably added some sort of like, week 1 curation, right there. And when you double click up here, it'll activate all of it. You can copy that, and then you can paste that into Canvas and submit.